I'm singing, yeah, singing in the rain, da-da-dee, la-dee,
Go back to the audience.
la-dee, da-da-dee, the picture, da-da, huh?
So you'll turn around.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh.
Do whatever you want.
I wonder if he would do it if I wasn't singing.
I didn't say you.
Is Brian here?
Oh, Brian.
No, that's all right.
Uncle Brian,
they
come here.
told me that he does this because he wants to collect as much water as possible, and so that's why he does that.
Hello.
Oh, what a wet party!
Oh, yay.
La dee da da da, dee dee da da dee. You guys, what a wet party you are, huh? Yeah. You see if I'm getting the right.
No.
Step up. Says no thanks. Step up. You're a pretty bird. Now just don't bite me. Here. Ah, it's time for you to go in, okay? Step up. Step up. You pretty bird. Step up.
You're a bad boy.
Hi. Hello, pretty bird. Step up. Oh, good bird. There you go. You're so wet. Okay.
Bridget, stay here.
I'm a bad boy. You're on YouTube. You're going to be seen by 1,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 zillion people. I'm a bad boy. Yay! All right, here, let's count. Very good. I'm a bad boy. He won't do it. Bad bird. I'm a bad boy. You just want to get in there and get dry, huh? Okay. Can I pet your head? Hello, pretty bird. Can you say hi, Bob? Hi, Bob.
Yeah, stop.
Sometimes when Bob first comes in, and say, Bob. Hi, Bob. Hey, Bob. Don't even think about biting.
I'm a bad boy.
You said everything else. I'm a bad boy. You're growling, are you? Oh, boy. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. He doesn't do that. Bye-bye.
There it is.
Yeah. I'm a bad boy.
Way to go,
You
Gia.
didn't think that's funny, huh? Okay, for you. All right, we'll try this again. This time, Mama's going to be smarter. Step up. Step up. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
I'll start down further.
And how old are you?
We calculate about 16.
16. Because they live to be, what, 40-ish?
Yep. Yep. Who wants him? We're going to put him in our will. Oh, look at him now.
That's right, yeah. I mean,
You should see when he hangs upside down on the swing, and sometimes when he's mad at the cat, he takes the swing and bangs it on the cage. Sometimes when he mesmerizes himself, he'll sit on the perch and take the square bell there, and he'll take his, and he goes, and it's like he's in a stupor. You look like a funny bird now. We need to dry you off with a towel. Can't you say hi, Bob? Oh.
and when we get sad, he gets sad.
Yeah, he goes.
Oh, poor Gio.
Bob? I wish we could get him to do his jabbering. Bob? Bob? Hi, Bob.
Hello, Bob.
He's trying to figure out how to get dry, I guess.
It's getting really wet.
That was fun. Okay.
All right, show's over.
See you. Gio. You're on candid camera.
Sometimes he'll be hanging upside down and he crashes.
Hi, Gio.
You know, like all of a sudden, like you're slump and and things flying, and sure enough, he fell. But he doesn't ever seem to hurt.
Yeah.
Okay, we better help him.
Hi, Gio. Are you saying hello?
Do we have a wet bed? Oh well.
Hi, Gio.
Hi, Gio.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Gio.
Later tonight.
Okay.
Bye. Bye. Bye, Rich. See you later tonight. Say bye, Aunt Sherry.
Hello, Bob.
Bye, Amber.
Uh-huh. Bye.
Ready. Bye. Bye, Dad. See you later. No.
Going down. Going back up. Hi, Gio.
It's
Hi,
okay.
Gio. Cutest
Hi, Gio.
bird. Smartest bird.